Hello there, everybody on YouTube and subscribers. And for today's video is a storage toolbox that I have right here from the brand is called Stalwart. That's where they store tools and some other things. Now, just gonna move this thing right here. There we go, spinning. Perhaps this toolbox will always come in handy to store tools, train parts, especially the templates for the future cosplay costumes. And I'm planning to figure out how to add some electronics inside the cosplay costumes, like to get the animatronics' eyes to move, like eye blinking, and to make it look like if the animatronics stares at the camera at a very creepy fashion, all it takes by wiring and adding lights and many other things. And here's a cool features about this toolbox right here, where you can open this thing like this. There's also a handle right here where you can carry it. Here's something where you can open like this. Just gonna carefully open this one. Also comes with a little trays right here of the storage case where you can store some paint, screws, screwdrivers, bolts, and many other things. So I might use one of these to store some all about anything, like small Lego pieces. Not have to worry about pieces falling everywhere, because the pieces do get lost over time. So I'm just gonna put this one back right here. There we go. There we go. And here's another storage cases. Just going to keep those for instructions. That way it'll be easier to find in case ever need them. And also have some tools like these screwdrivers. It's got the triangle heads on it that I normally use for the redesigned Thomas trains, that I use them for repairs and maintenance. And here are another pair of screwdrivers set right here. So I might put those in the toolbox as well. That way I might know where to find them. So yeah. So anyways, guys, so I might figure out how to do a jaw movement for the character masks, so that way I'm able to breathe and speak inside the costumes. So I might work on that someday. So anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video about the storage box that I got for Christmas last year, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos that you might be interested in. And also, thanks for the support and 801 subscribers. I really appreciate for the support. So I will try really hard to make videos fun, entertaining, timeless, and interesting as possible. So anyways, thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.